excited? Somewhat. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's a hanger. Go further, Bill.
These empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see? Do you remember a fallen man with no escape? It seemed he lives in yesterday. If you played away when I forget.
Pull it. Slower, you whore. There you go. You can go a little faster than that. Yay! Rude. So this is obligatory for the video. Are you happy now?
And my what?
Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm very happy. Nice and good.
And the button on the top is purple.
There we go.
It's so beautiful. I can see
Wow,
the
you
word Intel.
really can't see anything.
I can see it fine. Still can't see anything.
Yeah. Are you happy with it though?
Very.
Wow.
Good. This looks like an old, like, Bill Nye kind of thing about the body. Oh no! Oh no! We're not doing that. That's not happening. No. No. Oh my god.